Create a maintenance plan for our 3032 series tractor. First, you go to propertycenter.deere.com, go up to the top, hit plan. We're going to plan maintenance. All right, now we're on the maintenance page here. Scroll down to the bottom, it shows we have two machines without a maintenance plan set up. We have the 970R lawnmower and the 3032 tractor. We're going to hit the plus sign to add a maintenance plan. Now we have the opportunity to create a factory plan, which is factory recommended maintenance, or we can create a custom plan if there's just a few things we want to look for, or if we want to add different things throughout the season. With this machine here where it says not available, that would typically be where you would update your hours. If it was a connected machine, that would update automatically and you would get notifications when you have upcoming maintenance due. We're going to create a factory plan. We're going to select option 1, that's our only option. Create a plan name. I think we'll use it about 150 hours a year. The plan's going to start with 2 hours, and I've had the machine for 1 month. Our start date is going to be today, November 20th, and we'll keep the machine for 10 years. That can vary in distance. I always do the longest length. And this one also has a front loader, but we do not have a cab. We're going to build our plan. And this shows us at our different engine intervals what it wants to be checked out. So at 140 hours, it wants you to check hoses and clamps, check your wheel torque, change engine oil, make sure to drain any water out of the fuel tank, maintain your front end loader according to its operation manual, and replace your fuel filter. I think this is a good plan. I'm going to enroll it. We're going to say this machine has 3 hours on it now. And that shows our service plan made. So we can manage it here. We can add more plans to that. It'll show us our upcoming services. You can order parts right through the maintenance manager. And when you go back to your home screen, it shows you as your hours get put on equipment, and as you update those hours, it shows you when maintenance is